Reddit seems to hate RebelKid, but brands do surely love her. And that is the reason for her 40 crore net worth. But actually, the reason is the engagement is crazy. For such a big account, having an engagement of 7.97% is too good. And then, too, when she's maintaining a frequency of about 2.3 reels per week and almost one post in 2 weeks. What I would suggest for such a big account, it's a good frequency, but if she can take it 3 reels a week and one static post at least a week, if she can do that, would be amazing. And my focus would be not just to do paid content, but also focus a little bit on organic content. Let's deep dive into her content. Once we move to the content vault, we can actually see how all of our posts have performed, be it like great views, great engagement. And even if I want to see how the engagement has increased over time, as we can see over here, the engagement quite gets increased as the time goes by on our post, which is a sign of a good organic creator. And even let's say for this post, she has posted something about the things that she has done as an adult, which of course was a collaboration. And once we have transcribed this reel, and if I want to generate again similar kind of script, so I know how difficult scripting is, you can just click on generate remix, and it will actually generate a full-fledged script for you, which is similar to the original idea. As we can see, her original script was 3 really embarrassing but spicy things that happened to her as a full-grown adult. Now, if she wants to create a similar content because it performed well, we can just say 3 times, I thought my brain was firing on all cylinders, but it was just loading. So this is how we kind of make content creation easier in any. And in the next video, we'll look at strategy and habits of RebelKid. Now, looking at how her engagement has been over time, I think that's also an eye opener. In the last 7 days, the engagement has just been 5.85%, while in last 28 days, it was 7.21%. That means her engagement is dropping. So maybe she needs to up her game, maybe bring some innovation into the content so people can still stay hooked. Still, nevertheless, 5.85 or 7.21, both are good engagements. Right now, she's also losing followers, which could be alarming for her as well. As we can see, in the last 2 days, she has lost about 3,000 followers. While for such a big account, it's not that difficult to grow if they are being consistent and they are providing some kind of good quality content. And if I want to analyze her top 3 posts in the last 7 days, of course, her carousel posts do really well. So she should definitely stick to at least one carousel post a week. And as it says, it's a high end fashion carousel with glamorous outfit. So I think people want to see that side of her. The second one that really worked is a bodysuit brand. I think people actually believed in what she was saying, the narrative of the video, because even after being sponsored, it has performed really well. Similarly for the other post as well. And for her, usually she writes short captions, as we can see, and that actually performs good for her. Now, coming to the posting habits, which is very important, as we can see, all her post timings, usual timings, and as I can see again, Saturday for her at 5 p.m. has worked really well. Friday also works good for her about 1 p.m. or 8 p.m. She posts at 8 p.m. So I think she can experiment a little bit more on earlier times and see if that works for her. Again, if she'd like to do, she can just get whole analysis with one click of button, and the whole report is prepared for her profile. You can actually get the whole competitor analysis for RebelKid, like what her strategy is, what her content is about. As I mentioned, it has exceptional engagement rate. There are some weaknesses as well, that she's losing followers. So all these matrices for a content creator are very important to sustain her shelf life, like, to increase it to not just to 1 year but maybe 5-10 years. So I think that is the reason why brands love her, because she has great community engagement, followers, everything. That's it for RebelKid. Let me know which creator do you want us to analyze next.